8th June 2024. International issues. Okay, the first concept is European Commission excludes Tanzania from conservation grant. Excludes means removed Tanzania from conservation grant. Okay, so European Commission excludes Tanzania from 18.4 million conservation grant on June 5th, 2024. The decision was made in response to Tanzanian government's evictions of Maasai people from their traditional lands. Okay, so in short, Tanzania did human right violations. Human right violations. It took a conservation grant from EU, but used it to vacate Maasai people from their traditional lands. Okay, so Tanzania took a grant from EU for conservation, but it used it to vacate Maasai people from their traditional lands. This became a human right violation. So immediately EU withdrew the grant from Tanzania. Okay, this in this slide you can see. Okay, EU allotted some conservation grant to Tanzania. Okay, but this was took off, withdrawn due to Maasai people eviction from their traditional lands of Kenya. Okay, this grant was given under Nature Africa program. What is the objective of this program means? Biodiversity conservation, sustainable development, environment protection. Along with all these, save local community along with biodiversity conservation, sustainable development and environment protection. But what the Tanzanian government did, you are saving the environment, but at the same time you are evicting people from that area, from their traditional land. So this become a human right violation. Suppose, for example, you see India took a loan from World Bank. Telling some purpose, okay, like infra projects development, but they are misusing these funds for another purpose. If World Bank comes to know about it, what they will do, they will withdraw the loan amount. In the same way, it was happened to the Tanzania also now. So this was updated, this update was given in portal of EU. So removed from list of countries, Tanzania was removed from the list of countries who can get the grant. Okay, so Tanzania removed from the list of countries can get the grant. Following this, the World Bank and German Development Corporation also withdraw the funds they are giving to Tanzania. So how EU comes to know about this update that Tanzania is misusing the funds? Through MICA and Survival International, Maasai People Welfare Association Worldwide and Survival International. The EU comes to know about this issue. So in last article we come to know that UNSC having 5 permanent members. Those are Russia, China, US, UK, France. Okay, Russia, China, USA, powerful worldwide. So you have to remember only UK, France names extra in this. And UN is having 6 subsidiary organizations. They are UNGA, ECOSAC, Economic and Social Council, UNSC, UN Security Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice and Secretariat. These are 6 principal organs of UN. Okay, non-permanent members are 10. Their term is just 2 years. They don't have veto power to make decisions. But they can become president. The president stays for 1 month. Presidentship stays for 1 month. Every 1 month there will be one new president. These are selected by UNGA. So now recently Pakistan, Panama, Somalia, Denmark, Greece selected to UNGA. Pakistan is 8th time. is for 8th time Pakistan selected to UNSC. Somalia is being selected to UNSC because they are continuously fighting civil war and fighting against terrorism since 1990s. That's why due to their contribution the Somalia is selected to UNSC now. Okay, this is the concept in simple terms because you can't even remember many pages for one concept. So I thought to make you understand by short picture here.